First at 5, former Williamson County officials are facing new charges related to the in-custody death of Javier Ambler.
Ambler's death was recorded during a taping of the now canceled law enforcement reality show Live PD. The chase was never aired on television. All the footage from the scene was destroyed.
KXAN's Caitlin Carmode live at the Williamson County Justice Center in Georgetown to help us understand what these new charges mean.
Yeah, I've been following the latest hearings for former Sheriff Robert Chody and former General Counsel Jason Nassour. Both of their attorneys have been pushing for a dismissal, and they were actually expecting a hearing this morning, but instead what they got was a new indictment charge today. Both men now facing an additional charge of conspiracy to tamper with evidence. Now, this is in addition to their former charge of tampering with evidence. And the complaint we received from the district attorney's office alleges they entered into an access agreement with the production company Big Fish Entertainment to destroy raw and unaired video footage. And the complaint also says one of them performed an overt act the night of Javier Ambler's death. I spoke with the former district attorney to better understand these newly defined charges. He told me in this case, the district attorney must prove that the two people involved agreed to commit some type of criminal offense.
Because it's easier, it's a lesser penalty. Destruction of evidence is a felony of third degree. The penalty range of 2 to 10 years in prison, a fine of up to $10,000. Conspiracy to destroy or secrete evidence is a state jail felony grade offense of a penalty range of 6 months to 2 years in a state jail and a fine not to exceed $10,000.
I also reached out to former Sheriff Robert Chody's attorney. He sent me a statement saying Chody was simply following federal statutory law and a written policy by the Williamson County Sheriff's Office in effect at the time, which prohibited law enforcement from seizing the unaired footage at the scene. Now, I also talked to Jason Nassour's attorney. He says this case will either go one of two ways, a trial or a dismissal. A plea deal will not happen in a case like this. But as for the new charges, he expects this to simply be a replay of what's happened over the last few months. He also says both attorneys have until January 4th to file a motion in this case. Caitlin Carmode, back to you.